Welcome to my channel, English Language Hub. So for today's lesson, I want to share about how to recognize words with a as in hen. Also, answer who, what, where questions about a story read. Okay guys, so for your materials here, you can prepare word cards, phrase cards, sentence cards, and pictures. And also, you can talk about taking care of pets as your value focus. Okay? So, to start the lesson, you can write these letters B, D, F, G, H, L, M, P, S, R on the board or on a strips of paper, and then model the sounds of each letter and have the students repeat after you in producing the sound of these letters B, D, F, G, H, L, M, P, S, and R. Okay guys? So after the students finish producing the sound of each letter, you proceed to singing a song which the students already knew. Yes guys? Yes. So after singing a song, you can proceed now to your motivation and present this picture. Show them the picture, any picture related to the farm. Farm pictures. Pictures about the farm. Okay, like this. And then, while holding on the picture or showing the picture to the class, you asked, do you live on the farm? If not, have you been there? Okay guys, try to elicit answers from the students. Okay, what can you see in the farm? Okay, you can write the answers of the students on the board, what they see in the farm. Okay guys, so after that, after showing these pictures in the farm, you can proceed to telling them, let's find out what words we will learn today that can be seen on the farm. Yes guys? And then moving on to reading of word families. So this is now the time that you're gonna introduce guys the word families. Okay? That sounds with a, that has the a sound as in hen. Okay? So, you introduce the words by the whole class, by groups, by rows, individual students. Repeat the same procedure with the other word families. Okay? Yes. So, these are the word families guys. Word families are arranged according to their sound. Okay? Yes. So, pen, men, ten, hen, den. Bet, bet, let, set, get. Bed, read, led, fed. Beg, leg, peg. Okay guys, again, so after letting the whole class read, followed up by groups, followed up by rows, as well as individual students. Yes guys? Moving on to unlocking of the faculties through pictures, and if you have real objects, you can show to them also guys. So like for example, this pen, you can show to them a pen, a picture of hen, Picture of Dan, picture of peg, and feeding the hen. Okay, you can go back to the pictures here. Yes, feeding the hen. Yes, pictures of hen because these are hen. Feeding the hens. Okay. Now, let's move on to reading of phrases. In reading of phrases, guys, first you model, and then after you read, let the students repeat after the teacher. Yes? Okay. Feed the hen. 10 men. Get the pet. Red hen. Set the pen. Led the men. Okay? Again, after the teacher read the phrases, let the students repeat after the teacher. So I'm gonna read it again. Students repeat after the teacher. Fed the hen. 10 men. Get the pet. Red hen. Set the pen. Led the men. Moving on to reading of sentences. The same procedure, guys. After reading the sentence, have the students answer the question. Nene fed the hen. Who feeds the chicken? Okay? There are 10 men. How many men are there? The red hen is Ben's pet. What is the color of the hen? Whose pet was it? Get the pen in the den. What will I get in the den? Okay, guys. So, moving on to reading of the short story. So, present the paragraph here. You can read first and then have the students listen. And after you read, you can let the students repeat after you. Anyway, this is just a very short story for them to understand. Henny Penny is a hen. It is a red hen. It is a pet of 10. So guys, moving on to the comprehension questions. Who is Henny Penny? What is its color? Do you have a pet hen too? How do you take care of it? Okay, so have the students answer all the questions, and if they couldn't figure out the answers, you can guide the students also. Okay, yes. So, moving on to practice exercises. Activity 1. In activity 1 here, guys, you can use flashcard on the words you have already learned. Words that has the a sound as in hen. Okay, so you go back there to your words and read. Okay, pen, men, 10, hen, den. Pet, bet, let, set, get. Bed, read, led, fed. Beg, leg, peg. Feed the hen. 10 men. Get the pet. Red hen. Set the pen. Led the men. Nanny fed the hen. There are 10 men. The red hen is Ben's pet. Get the pen in the den. Okay, guys? So, as I've said, these are already written in a strips of paper or in a flashcard as the activity exercise. Okay? Next, moving on. Activity number 2. So, underline the name of the picture in the box. So, there are 2 options, guys. As you can see, picture number 1, it is a pen. So, you can call students, one student at a time, to underline the word that represent the picture on its left. Okay, so number 2. Okay, another students, guys. So you have here bag, peg, leg. Number 3, bed, red, fed. Number 4, then, man, 10. And number 5 here, guys, you have hand, man, bet. Okay. So, moving on to exercise number 3, activity number 3. So, underline the word which is the same before its number. So, you have here man. So, you can call a student to go on the board and underline the word that is the same before each number. Okay, we have here man, 10, man, then. Bed, red, bed, lead. Peg, bag, leg, peg. Pet, pet, get, set. Then, lead, let. Okay. So guys, for activity number 4, encircle the sentence that tells about the picture. Okay, let the students figure out first, guys, what's in the picture, and let them encircle the correct sentence that represent the picture. Okay, so look at the picture number 1. A, Nanny fed the hen. B, Ben fed the hen. C, Ted fed the hen. Okay, guys. So, number 2. As you can see, there are 10 men. So, what's the picture represent for? There are 10 beds. There are 10 men. There are 10 pens. Okay, so let the students encircle 10 men. Number 3 picture. Okay, it is a bed. There's stuff in there and there is a pen. So, there's a leg in the bed. There's a peg in the den. There's a pen on the bed. Okay, guys. So, the best option is this. There's a pen on the bed. Next, guys, activity 5. So, in activity 5, guys, show the picture and tell its story. It's a picture about the red hen. Okay? It's about Henny Penny is a hen. It is a red hen. It is a pet of Ted. And again, you can ask questions about this story for the students' mastery of the lesson and of course the story. Okay? And so, your evaluation here, you can do this orally. Directions, read the story written on the board. Okay, guys? So, this is all for today. I hope you enjoy my lesson. I hope you enjoy and learn something new today. I have some more stuff coming out soon. Make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and let me know your thoughts and questions. Love to hear from you soon. Thank you very much.